markets. The Nifty opened on a flat to negative note and thereafter continued to drift lower throughout the day, ending the day on a negative note, down 63 points. The market breadth was also negative with 328 advances to 1196 declines. From the Nifty 50 pack, ITC, HUL, M&M, ICICI Bank and Tata Motors were some of the draggers in today's trading session, while Infosys, HDFC Limited, TCS, HDFC Bank, Kotak Bank managed to close the day on a positive note. Now we will have a look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, we can observe that after yesterday's sell-off, the downside momentum or the selling pressure has continued even today, and we expect this selling pressure to continue in the coming trading sessions. In today's trading session, it has breached below the previous swing low of 8600, which is a negative sign or a sign of trend continuation on the downside, as we are forming lower tops and lower bottoms on the Nifty. And today the previous swing low of 8612 has been breached on the downside. So this again reaffirms or reconfirms the downtrend, and we expect the selling pressure to continue on the downside. On the RV charts, we can observe that after opening on a flat to negative note, it continued to drift lower throughout the day. Yes, on the RV charts, it is looking like an extremely oversold kind of a situation for the Nifty. However, until and unless we get a daily positive close, it becomes really difficult to say a bounce is evident or not, or is possible in the coming trading sessions or not. However, intraday bounces might be there, but that should be used as a selling opportunity, as the trend for Nifty is well and truly down, and we see no real signs of trend reversal as of now. The Nifty has reached a crucial support juncture. It has reached the 20-day simple moving average, 20-week simple moving average. However, it needs to show some sign of strength at this point of time. Today, the Nifty has closed for the week, and the markets are closed for the week, and the Nifty has closed on a negative for the second consecutive week. It has reached that crucial 20-week moving average. However, signs of strength needs to be seen. So until and unless we see signs of strength or signs of trend reversal, we continue to maintain our negative stance on Nifty for a target of 8470 on the downside. Now moving on to the chart of Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty was also one of the weakest in today's trading session. State Bank of India, Bank of Baroda, ICICI Bank from the private space were some of the major contributors to the fall in Nifty and Bank Nifty today. So we see no real signs of trend reversal as of now. We expect the selling pressure to continue in the coming trading sessions. For the Bank Nifty, crucial supports on the downside are placed at 18,500 and 18,250. On the upside, 18,782 and 19,000 shall act as crucial resistances. So overall, friends, the view on the Nifty and Bank Nifty remain negative. Today, the selling pressure that we saw in the last trading session continued even today, and we expect the selling pressure to continue in the coming trading sessions. Intraday bounce backs that we see on the Nifty or Bank Nifty should be used as a selling opportunity. Crucial supports for Nifty are placed at 8550, which is around that 20-week moving average, and below 8470, which is a short-term target and the previous swing low. On the upside, 8620, which is around the area of 20 and 40 hourly moving averages, and 8680 are crucial resistances. So that's all for the day. Thank you.